If you want to take a break from Instagram without permanently deleting your account, this guide will show you how to deactivate it safely. To begin, open the Instagram app. Tap your profile icon in the bottom right corner, then select the three-line menu icon at the top right. Go to Settings and Privacy, scroll down, and tap Account Center. In the Account Center, choose Personal Details, then select Account Ownership and Control. Here, you will find options for deactivation or deletion. Tap on Deactivation. Select the Instagram account you wish to deactivate, then choose Deactivate Account and tap Continue. Instagram will prompt you for your password, enter it and tap Deactivate Account. Your account is now hidden. No one can see your profile, posts, or messages, but your data remains intact. You can log in at any time to reactivate your account. If this guide was helpful, consider subscribing and turning on the bell icon for more tutorials on managing your digital life. Your support helps me create more useful content.